What's happening, man? What's going on? Welcome back to the AzanYah Family channel. It's your boy AzanYah. Look at her. We got the whole fam out here today. You know what I'm saying? We not here to late. You feel how they're playing? We ain't no goddamn late. Hey, but what we doing today? We trying to start what you call it, baby? Liquid. Exactly. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the channel, man. We about to go and get into these bushes and start climbing trees, hopefully. You feel what I'm saying? Put her up in the tree. You feel what I'm saying? Look at him. He out of there. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Oh, snap. We thought I was going down. Hey, we'll be back. You dig? They trying to get there. We trying to get some of this. Hey, all this literally been cut before. You feel me? Stuff grow back so fast, man. Like, we gonna need it like a freaking bulldozer, like for real. Like, cause all this was like gone. I don't know if y'all been watching the channel and seen the video. Cleared. Matter of fact, it was like right here. This was our very first burn pile before we moved it close to the house. You did. So we, like I said, we about to make this liquid fertilizer to water these plants and stuff like that. So we're gonna get it.
It's about to go down, people.
Plants it is out here that we got, but we trying to use some of them for some liquid fertilizer.
Look at it.
Got a little.
It's about to go down, people. It's about to go down.
Got a little machete here. I'm about to
stick, man. Look at it. Sweating. You good?
put it in the wheelbarrow, King.
You tired? He tells us, why your hat wet though? You been sweating. What? So you been working? So why you sweating? Yeah, so that's a testimony. You ain't been working, but you're sweating. Yeah, I tell you. They never know when the camera's on, you feel me?
That's the other tree yesterday.
Hey, so that mean it was live. Look at the honeycomb. Oh yeah, cause they got them pine sticky sting thingy. Them ain't no worms. Them sticky balls. I remember coming outside with no shoes on, man, and getting that thing stuck in my sock. Yeah, wait a minute. Did I have socks on? I probably didn't. But then they say something.
Shoes on. You have shoes on.
Look. What you doing with that? What you doing? Whoa. We ain't putting it in there.
Don't put those in there. I'm trying to put it in.
What are
you want to go get the weed? I tell you. Let's get the cut. No, what was you just doing? We out here making liquid fertilizer. What is you doing? What was you doing? What was you doing?
I was sitting
She was in the chair with a leg up. Mom out here getting it. He out here pulling it up from the root. I tell you. And he trying to crank the weed eater. And we out of gas, young buck. I just went and got the sling blade out the ditch. So I'm about to come start re-chopping these things up out the ground. You feel me? See what I'm saying? No work.
I tell you right now.
But yeah, she don't clean the whole tree. She was hungry.
King, you don't got to separate it like that.
Look at that. What you call it? Liquid gold? Liquid nose. You feel me? So I guess we're gonna fill the barrel up, y'all.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we need something like this here.
I need to take that out.
No.
The brown stuff.
That's just the dirt and the roots and stuff.
Where's the hat? Hey, yo! Gas!
Stop it. Get some help.
Out here in the trenches, sweating. He out here getting it. Look at it. Boy even hitting it with a stick. He out here in these trenches, bro. And she ain't doing that still. I ain't
The camera for you.
That's it. It hot out here in these trenches, man. We over here in another quarter. Out that way, you know what I'm saying? About to try to get some of these grass out of there, man. Sling bladed. Call me country boy. Yeah, D.
What is wrong with that guy?
Come back.
So you need to get it close to the earth.
Close to the...
Get close to the cameraman.
I am a camera woman, not a cameraman.
Get close. See, we trying to get the grass. The coincidence. We need out of gas. Lawnmower won't crank. Crazy.
Father and son.
In the trenches. Trying to get this grass.
Guys, if you know what these are right here, comment down below, because we have no idea.
What it is.
We don't, okay, hold on, stop right quick. We do not know what these are.
Ain't them the beauty bear? I'm in the beauty bear.
I don't know what these are.
Want a little boy. The number is 1-800. Go get him. Camera phone, man. Y'all see these shirts, you feel me? Everybody come and want to check them out. You feel what I'm saying? He's showing his chest on. There's something wrong with his body. Yeah. We all rocking, you feel what I'm saying? She got a little low big. Hey, shout out to Lady K, you feel me? You feel me? More shirts and design coming soon, you feel me?
Bye.
You want watermelon?
Yes.
You want watermelon?
Yes.
You want watermelon? But I swear it look like he got on the gown. No gown. No gown. That boy in a large, you feel me? Man, gotta work.
Spank that, baby.
Gotta work. All right, now you
girl.
about to go and act. This boy. Put him. Look at the bear now. Zoom in now. Look at the bear now. You feel what I'm saying? I told you we gonna get that thing. Yeah.
We got a 32-gallon trash can that we gonna start off with.
32 gallons.
Then
32
we got all the
gallons.
stuff here in the wheelbarrow. Right here.
City
We
rat.
need to turn it over to that right
There you go.
Look how deep it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Spinning. All that, huh?
They got sticker bras in there. You want to stick your hand?
Oh, no, you don't want to stick it in there. Little top. Yeah. Making this liquid. Dookie. We all sweating. Say, you sweating? Say, you sweating?
No.
Nah, he ain't sweating.
It's sucking me into the trash can.
Mom gonna get the rake. Let's get it. It's going in. It's going in. I'm about to dig my hand in.
It's sticker bras in here. It's a dog. It's a dog up here. Hopefully, y'all, we can get this in here. We gotta let it sit for like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, they say the longer you let it sit, the more potent it becomes. So that's what we're trying to do.
Squeeze a little juice in it. Yeah, squeeze a little juice. What are you doing? Squeeze a little juice in it. Squeeze a little juice.
Hell no.
He's getting his hands.
I'm doing like this, y'all. I got some. This move back in.
His hands.
That's why I got a look. I look like I got too much, y'all. You can pick this up that's lacing on the ground.
Hey.
They said 2 weeks, y'all.
And that is a
What
lot
side?
of days.
Here, pick this up that way that I
He's
dropped.
right there. But that's a lot of days.
Only 2 weeks.
Oh, you're talking about like, you're talking about You're leaving it in there for 1 month, like a whole week, and then another whole week? Yeah. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. Like up to those 2 weeks.
Watch out, fingers back. Watch your fingers back. Put it in. Watch out, sir.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Clean.
Yep. Guys, we're putting the water in. It might be a little hot. I'm trying not to get water on the counter. Hey, stop getting water before you spray the camera.
You ain't gonna go to the camera that close. Leave the camera back.
Like this high. With the water.
Why did you unscrew it? Just hold it in there.
I did. I'm trying to put this thing in so I can like.
Stop messing with it, just hold it.
Mom, I just heard.
You bet. Why you keep messing with that? Just hold it.
The fish.
Yeah, I don't know what team you got going on.
So you gotta let it get full?
You gotta put it until the water comes to boil.
Look it up. I already did. And then smiled at me. I'll follow you at the film. Bye. Guys, when we put this video, see if you fix it out. Ready? Liar. Oh, what are you talking about me and that? It is so okay, once we fill it up, I'm going to do that. So guys, we finally got it up. It's
a whole hour. Right there. And where we at now?
Oh, she's talking about the film.
Oh.
That's what she's talking about.
That's not. That's what it is.
no, it took a minute.
You know, watermelon, brine.
So watch out, son. Watch out.
Don't pay attention.
Put some more enough.
Maybe when they. No, you only put it in.
It's not dirty. It's not dirty. Stop, move your hands. It's not dirty. Stop, move your hands. I'm trying to get a close-up shot. Move your hands. Stop, I'm trying to get a close-up. So guys, this is what you got.
Turn the water off, Ken.
No. This is what we got.
So I go get the top out the wheel down.
It looks gross. It looks like a salad mixed with all water. Oh, stop.
Make sure y'all check us out. We still gonna be adding stuff into this compost, man. It's supposed to sit for how long?
2 weeks.
About 2 weeks.
It's gonna sit for 2 weeks before you start using it, but you're gonna let it sit for a long time. They say the longer you let it sit, the more potent it becomes. So.
You did. You heard what the lady said. The longer you let it sit, so we're gonna just keep adding stuff into it. You feel what I'm saying? You can put kitchen scraps in there. You feel what I'm saying? Apples, banana, this watermelon we got from the watermelon man. You can put all that in there, man. So, hey, make sure y'all continue to check out the video. This was how you make liquid fertilizer. You see it?